In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a meeting invite in Outlook. To get started, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, take a moment to make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you use more than one email profile for work or personal communication. This helps ensure that the invitation is sent from the right calendar and reaches the right people. Next, click on Calendar. You'll usually find this in the navigation area of Outlook, and this is where all your appointments, meetings, and scheduled events are managed. Opening the calendar view gives you access to the tools you need to create and organize a new meeting invite. Once you're in the calendar section, click New Event. This opens the event creation window where you can enter all the important details for your meeting. In some versions of Outlook, this may appear as a button near the top of the screen. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. The option will still be in the calendar toolbar. After that, click Event to begin setting up the meeting details. In the form that appears, start by entering the title of the meeting. Make the title clear and specific so attendees immediately understand what the meeting is about. A descriptive title makes it easier for everyone to recognize the event in their calendar later. Now, enter the attendees and select the time for the meeting. Add the email addresses or contacts of the people you want to invite, and then choose the correct date and start time along with the end time. It's always a good idea to double-check the schedule before sending so you can avoid conflicts and make sure the meeting length is appropriate for the discussion. You can also write a message in the invitation. This is useful if you want to include extra context, an agenda, preparation notes, or any important details attendees should know in advance. Keeping this message short and clear can help everyone come prepared and understand the purpose of the meeting before it begins. Once everything is filled out and reviewed, click Send. Outlook will then deliver the meeting invitation to all selected attendees, and the event will be added to your calendar. Invitees will receive the request and can accept, decline, or mark it as tentative depending on their availability. That's how to send a meeting invite in Outlook. If you follow these steps carefully, you can quickly schedule meetings and keep everyone informed in a professional and organized way.